Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Uh-oh, I did it too soon. Crap. Oh, it's not fully cool yet. Shit. It's cute, but I smushed all the bees. I'll re-pour that one. Melt it again. Gotta wait more. I think these silicone molds are just really insulating. So you have to give it more time. Alright. So I've poked a hole in the end of this mold for the wick. It's the only thing I could really think of. Yeah, you really need to wait for these suckers. So insulating. It's been an hour. So I'm not gonna touch the other mold. Probably gonna be a couple hours. It's good to know I had this really sticking out at the end, but you can pull it through after, which I didn't even think of. So it's fine if it's sticking up a little bit, and then I'll just tug it through once it's cooled. But I'm gonna do that again, and it kind of sucks. Well, think I need to put a hole in the top. It looks pretty nice that way. Should I try this one? Here we go. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Ah.
How far? All the way?
No. It's the bottom. This is the bottom of the
That's
candle.
what I thought. Okay.
See?
There?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, the sticks.
Recording my own candles. Very nervous about this. How far? There?
Oh, yeah.
2 more? Okay. That's a cool slow cooker. It's the original one. Cool. How long does it take to harden?
Couple hours.
What's wrong with that cat?
Orville.
Orville. Okay, that looks good. Now this one?
Yep.
How do I pour on this chopstick thing?
Just give her. We'll move it later.
There would be no cat scaring me. Shoot, I went over. Shoot.
We'll just leave it there. Wooden wick. Regular wick. This is the outcome we are hoping for.
When it's cloudy, I don't see you. When it's dark, I lose your spark. And I don't have another moment when you're not around. I know you're my ray of light. Somehow I have lost your sight. I have got mysterious ways to bring you back into my life. And